Okay, I'll be lying, y'all. That's not how the Dallas trip happened. Let me tell y'all the truth. Hold on, bro. I'm about to nut.
What? What the fuck? Alright, well, as you can tell, DPD's clearing everyone the fuck out. Y'all gotta get the fuck out of here.
Are we straight like the parking lot if we go to the
No, y'all good. Y'all not black. It's the black people they're coming for. Y'all gotta watch out for the black people.
Oh, shit.
It's just retarded.
Hey. Oh, I see one. There's a monkey.
That's gotta be racist. There's
Oh, shit. Cause your backup is here, bro?
No.
Okay.
No, what I'm letting you know is I've talked to you a couple times.
Got you. No. You talked, I wasn't listening. Alright, fuck you. Fuck you, asshole.
Sushi that make a little nigga wrist crack, no chit chat. 40 in a big back, flop on his stomach, ain't finished his Big Mac. Caught at the light, whole whip got kidnapped. Stand on business, I ain't making no price. Pull up close, put a beam on his chest. Every op chain is a check I collect. Body for body, we go see who's next. Phone keep buzzing, that's another new drop. Money keep coming, I can't even stop. Caught him at the light, put his face on the spot. 100-round drum, make the city just rock. Caught him at the
You
light,
two, we in
even
Dallas,
twice.
man. This is about to be some crazy nights. I'm looking for that boy. Oh, that's Brando, man. But let's go. Watch where I stay. Thick ass nigga. Watch where I stay. Thick ass nigga.
You're gay! He's gay!
What the fuck is that? We got a turbo 5.0. All right, y'all. We have a turbo. This shit is nice. I'm not gonna lie. This shit is nice. Bro, look at this. Turbo on the 5.0. Gotta be having power. We got the GTO out here. Oh, GTR, the red carbon fiber. Another white GTR. This night has been ridiculous. Ridiculous. But like I said, Dallas, Texas 2K. Please make sure y'all like and subscribe. I'm trying to get y'all that content and stay safe. Man, it's ridiculous. I just seen like 3 cars run from the police tonight. Them boys are outside and they running. Hey, hold on, look who I got, man. Look who I got.
Look what we got out here, bro.
Shit.
We both
Hold on.
Let's get to the ball, bro.
Hey, what y'all gotta say, man? Talk to each other.
To the ball, bro.
Hey, first of all, make sure real quick. Where the Hellcats at?
Hey, bro, you know what's funny, bro?
Where the Hellcats?
I thought I'm gonna see a lot of Hellcats. I only seen this not. Oh, sugar free, bro. Sugar free.
Hey, sugar free. We're knowing you know when I get there.
Alright, well, as you can tell, DPD's clearing everyone the fuck out. Y'all gotta get the fuck out of here.
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
Are we straight like the parking lot if we go to the
No, y'all good. Y'all not black. It's the black people they're coming for. Y'all gotta watch out for the black people.
It's just retarded.
Hey. Oh, I see one. There's a monkey. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, I gotta show y'all the CTSV. Ooh. On radios? So it ain't slow. It ain't slow. I'll tell y'all that now. It ain't slow. Alright, we got another 5.0 on some fat radios like this. Damn. Bruh, I tell y'all now, the cops have been stopping people all night. They wait until you pull off and then they stopping you. Big shout out to Dallas PD for sucking and pulling everybody over.
Y'all can't fuck with the police. Y'all can't fuck with the police.
Hit the car, nigga.
Nigga, your shit sound like a bucket. What? Oh my God. It's a ticket on that shit. You just met the dude that got a ticket. You snitched or like, damn, y'all go tell that man.
Damn, bro.
Go tell that man my bad, man. Free that man.
29 minutes ago.
Damn, bro. They probably got that nigga for them little ass braids, to be honest. God. All right, security said it's private property, so let me find something to buy so he can't complain. I'm looking for gum. Since he said QT's private property, let's go ahead and.
How you doing?
Yes, sir. Bam. Thank you, sir. They don't seem to be letting old dude go. Cause your backup is here, bro?
No.
Okay.
No, what I'm letting you know is I've talked to you a couple times.
Got you. No. You talked, I wasn't listening.
Gotcha, bitch.
Yeah,
All right. See you. All right. Fuck you, asshole.
Beats by Avery. Did you make this?
I don't know. Okay. I'm about to say, I don't know what the move is. I gotta see where everybody's going. Hey, YouTube, like I said, it's a crazy night. Security is on dick, bro. Security acting stupid, but we might go to another spot. We're gonna see. I want to get y'all this video, because the next video gonna be some crazy shit,
listen,
man.
bro.
I'm telling you.
This man is out here giving y'all this content. This is exclusive content, bro.
Yeah.
We in Dallas, bro. We not back at home. Y'all gotta watch this video, bro. We about to hit another spot, bro. So the type of footage, the type of time he giving y'all, bro. Mind the nigga gonna miss this flight.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Miss this fucking flight,
Hey,
bro. So,
thank you, Trump.
so you gotta hit that subscribe button. You gotta watch this video. You gotta like it. It's free to do that.
Got to.
Mind the nigga almost missed his flight, and we still out here, bro. It's 1 in the fucking morning, bro. It's 1 in the morning.
My man.
And we got all kind of whips out here. Got the Mustang, clean as fuck. Atlanta, I'm in Atlanta again. That bitch sound good now. That bitch sound good. Yeah, we about to die tonight. All right, there we go. He got some. I know what's wrong with it. Watch that bitch go nowhere. Told you. Don't do too much. You gotta save some pussy for the rest of us, goddammit. Crash. Mustang, come on. Hold on, bro, I'm about to nut.
That's suspicious.
That shit nasty. He color coded the motherfucking radials to match. That shit is nasty. Hey, you better win. Niggers, can't you see? It is time for niggas to flee. Hey, Popo came and said that's it. So Dallas for the night, I'm done. I appreciate y'all, man, but I'm not gonna do too much because I'm trying to be smart and I'm trying to be safe. Hopefully y'all can hear me. But we are heading to the whip right now. They're gonna have some races tonight. We're gonna have some races tomorrow. So just stay tuned, and that's what we're gonna do, all right? Damn, they got a Honda on the back? Anyways, let me head out to the car. Me and Brando ain't waking up till like 12, bro. I don't give a... Ooh, Kia Stinger sounding like that? Kia Stinger?
A few moments later.
We made it to the room, YouTube. I love y'all. Good night. Stay blessed. Peace.